Are you saying cheese? Are you chilling at the door? You look handsome. You like the windows open? Yes. What have we been doing today?
Playing.
Where at?
In the living.
What else? Where did we go today?
You.
What parks?
Catmull and Stevens.
Yeah, both parks. Yeah, it's been great. Kylan can't get enough of the outside. Kylan, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Say bye-bye.